So I've got here our lovely rooster. This is Miracle. So he is a pekin, and we hand raised him from chicks. So he's tame, but just recently he started to attack us. But yeah, I think we just got to live with it. And so over here is his sister. She is a pekin frizzle. So these are both bantams. Yeah, so she's a lovely little hen. And so actually and she's also hand reared too. So they're about to turn 1 in a few days. So yeah. And then over here we have one of our big hen. Her name's Izzy. So she's the calmer, gentler one. She's really calm. And over here we've got our Silky, this white one here. That's our Silky. Her name is Wilma. So we've had her for about 1.5 years. Yes, so she wasn't hand reared by us. She was just, yeah. So she's also a bantam. And the exciting bit is that we have 2 Silkies on fertile eggs. So we have 14 eggs under, and the due date's today. So we're expecting little chicks, about 8, 9, something like that, in a few days. So really anytime soon. Got Gidgee and Cotton. So today's job, we need to get ready for the chicks. So our plan is, we have a few eagles and hawks flying over, and we want to keep these chicks safe and sound. So today's job, we are going to be setting up for the chickens. We need to feed and water dish, and the main job is we're going to be building a scarecrow. But the thing is, we've already got a scarecrow, but it's not good enough. Yep. We need something shiny. We need something with lots of bling, because that's what keeps eagles away.
Very good?
Yep.
Oops. Good.
That.
It's going to fit. We'll have to cut his arms off a bit.
Cut the poo bit off. Dad! Ready? Oh.
No, you're going to pull the arms out. Yeah, leave the shirt there. There you go. Pull that. Let's hook it up on that. Slip it over.
Not touching it.
Yep, keep poking that through. I'm gonna... Yep. Try and line them screw holes back up. Oh, how you going, mate? Pleased to meet you.
So the chicks didn't hatch today, but subscribe and we'll let you know when they do.
Yeah. Nice knowing you, mate.